We are in a sneezing season. Sneezing. Verb to sneeze. What's the verb to sneeze in Italian? Starnutire. It's under the last group of Italian verb. I-R-E. Starnutire. That's the verb to sneeze. Hi, this is Jenny. If you're just joining me for the first time, you're seeing my face, you're welcome. So how do you say the verb to sneeze in Italian? Starnutire. And it's under I-R-E. Now let's conjugate. This type of verb, starnutire, doesn't have a regular conjugation, yeah? This is the type that you do add isco, ishi, just like finire or preferisco, finisco. Okay, so for io you have starnutisco. Don't worry, I'll put the conjugation on the screen. All right. Okay, so